Take the string, the letters A, B, cut it so every piece is a palindrome, using as few cuts as possible. One option, 3 pieces, 2 cuts. A better option, the first 2 A letters as one piece, B as another, just one cut. Finding that minimum, fast, is what we are solving today. This is Palindrome Partitioning II, and it introduces a second flavor of partition dynamic programming, the front partition. The problem: given a string S, split it into pieces that are all palindromes, minimizing the number of cuts. Define f of I as the minimum cuts needed for the suffix s from I to the end. Stand at position I, and try every place j to end the first piece. If s from I to j is a palindrome, the cost is 0, if that piece reaches the end of the string, otherwise 1 plus f of j plus 1. The base case, f of n is 0, an empty suffix needs no cuts. The answer is f of 0. Checking if s from I to j is a palindrome, every single time, is slow. So we precompute a table. Pal of I j is true when s at I equals s at j, and either the piece has length 1 or 2, or the inside, pal of I plus 1, j minus 1, is already a palindrome. Filling this table takes O of n squared time. Here's the full implementation. First, build the palindrome table from the bottom right corner, working outward. Then compute the cuts array from right to left. For every starting index I, scan forward to every valid palindrome ending at j, and take the cheapest option, 0 cuts if j is the last index, otherwise 1 plus the answer for the remaining suffix. Both steps cost O of n squared, building the palindrome table, and computing the cuts array by scanning forward from each index. Total time, O of n squared, space, O of n squared, for that table. Here's the teaching point. Interval dp splits a range internally, at some point k, combining two subintervals, f of I j, front partition instead cuts at a boundary j, and recurses only on what's left, f of I. Same partition dp family, different state. Interval dp needs two indices. Front partition needs just one. Recognizing which shape a problem wants is the real skill. Two traps. First, when j is the last index, the suffix is fully used up, the cost is 0, not 1 plus f of n. Add that extra cut and you'll overcount. Second, skip the palindrome precomputation, and repeated checks silently blow up your runtime to O of n cubed. So, partition dp comes in two shapes. Internal split f of I j when a range breaks into two ranges, and front cut f of I when pieces are taken strictly left to right, and only the next boundary matters. Recognize the shape, and the state falls right out. Next up, one more front partition problem. Cut an array into blocks of bounded length, where each block is worth its maximum value times its size. That's partition array for maximum sum. Before you go, work out the minimum cuts for AAB and ABA by hand. Then extend the code to return one optimal partition, not just the count. And for a stretch, try Palindrome Partitioning 1, listing every palindromic partition. That one's backtracking, not DP.